How to change difficulty in Prince of Persia: The Last Crown game. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how you can easily change your difficulty settings in the Prince of Persia: The Lost Crown game in just a couple of minutes. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and tap the pause button at the top left corner if you are inside the gameplay. And from this page, go ahead and tap on System. Inside System, select Options, and you'll be able to see the difficulty option from the top. Now go to the difficulty mode option, tap on this little white icon, and you'll be able to switch between the difficulty modes. Just make your selection, and once you are done, you can get back, click on OK, and then continue with your gameplay. So that's how you can easily change your difficulty level in Prince of Persia: The Lost Crown game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.